Hello, if you're seeing this video, this is your first time setting up an account on a platform powered by Clientbucket. So I thought we'd show you a few of the core features of Clientbucket. Starting with the buckets themselves. A bucket is like a folder where you can share pretty much any file or text or links, but you can also use it to collect data using forms, which we'll talk about a little bit later. So to create a new bucket, just click on this handy button, create new, give your bucket a name. This is a bucket. You can give it a description as well and add any different types of form that might already be made. You can also create your own types of form, and we'll go through that a little bit later. There is also the possibility to give it a parent bucket so that you can control its hierarchy. Once you click save, you can see the handy notification at the top that says that it's been saved, and you get taken through to your brand new bucket. So if we go through to forms next, you can create a new form again with the same new button. Give it a title. This is a form, and a description if you want, and add in any new kinds of fields. The types of field we have are things like input text, long text, numbers, geolocation, quite a few options. So this is a field. You can give it help text and make it required if you want. You can also add a confirmation if for when somebody fills out the form. So after creating your forms, you also have the option to view reports. Reports allow you to specify a different type of form and either a specific user or a specific bucket that you have access to. This is only visible to admins, but it allows you to see the number of forms that have been completed. We also have the ability to search for users. And finally, we have broadcasts, where you're able to broadcast a message to multiple users or buckets at a time. This is a broadcast. You can give it the content. And you can set a time for when it needs to be sent out. And this is a time and a date. And then you can send it out to any buckets that you are an admin of. Once you click save, the broadcast you can see is scheduled, and there you have it, your introduction to Clientbucket.